everyone, thank you for joining us and welcome back to the Commercial Law School. Today's video will be about how to approach the initial video interview that some firms ask for before the assessment centre. Firms such as White & Case, Latham & Watkins and many others require this in the application process. The preliminary interview is usually short. You're required to respond to a set of questions that will load on a screen, and there's usually not another person watching you in real time, so you'll be given time to read the question before you answer it. Make sure you sit your interview in a tidy and quiet environment with an appropriate background. Also, make sure that you look presentable. It's ideal to wear something that you would wear if you were going to a face-to-face interview. A smart casual attire is recommended. Eye contact is still important in a video interview, so make sure you maintain eye contact towards the camera. Now for the technical stuff. Make sure that all your audio is working. Test your microphone on your device in advance to ensure that the sound is audible. Although it may seem obvious, make sure that you have good lighting in your area, as the graduate recruitment team will want to make sure they can see the person that they're interviewing. And for the most important part, make sure you have a reliable internet connection. You don't want to be flustered because your internet starts cutting off. Now we've gotten past the technical elements, let's move on to the content of the interview. You should prepare for skills-based questions, firm knowledge questions, and commercial awareness questions. This is an example of a skills-based question. When answering it, you should align the skills that you have to the skills that trainees have. When answering a question like the one on the screen, it may help you to set out your reasons in numbers. For example, I applied to this firm for 3 main reasons. To test your commercial awareness, firms may ask you about a news story or a business story you've read, or perhaps a deal from the firm. If you'd like to know more about how to answer these types of questions, watch our other videos where we go into detail about the types of tasks that trainees do, how to improve your commercial awareness, and how to research firms and talk about them properly. Lastly, and most importantly, keep to the time limit. It's important to note that when your time is up for each question, the microphone will stop recording you. So make sure you have your eye on the time so you can wrap up in good time and not get cut off mid-sentence. One thing we have also found helpful is to record yourself answering questions within a time limit beforehand on a phone or on a laptop. This will imitate the setting of a video interview and allow you to become more comfortable. Just to reiterate, this video covers guidance on the preliminary video interview. We will be releasing another video on the assessment centre video interview at a later date. As always, thank you for watching. We hope you found it useful and we'll see you next week.